Okay, so give the coordinates of the center, foci, vertices, and co-vertices of the ellipse with a given equation, quantity of x plus 3 squared over 24 plus quantity of y minus 5 squared is equal to over 49 is equal to 1. So, since the greater value here is at the y part, which is ang a squared is 49, so therefore our ellipse is vertical. Now the center here is at negative 3 and then positive 5. Our a is 49, so a squared is 49, so a squared is equal to 49. So we will extract both sides. So square root of a squared is a, square root of 49 is 7. So we have a and we have the center, so we can determine the value of our vertex or vertices. Next is the b squared. B squared is 24, so b squared is equal to 24, so b is equal to 2 square root of 6, that's approximately 4.9. For our c, the formula for c is equal to square root of a squared minus b squared. Since we have the a squared and the b squared, so we can get the value of our c. So square root of a squared is 49, b squared is 24, so 49 minus 24 is 25 too. So the square root of 25 is 5. This is our c for our foci. We have this one, check. Ano siya? We have the values for this. So kailangan na lang natin allocate ang ilang mga coordinates. Now the center is at negative 3, 5. So if this is the center, this is the center at negative 3, 5. And then our, what do you call that? Our ellipse is vertical. So here is the foci, here is the vertex. Foci. And co-vertices. So it means that our foci and vertices is along with the major axis or vertical major axis. So this is C, while ang lako is from center to the vertex is A, and then from center to the co-vertex is B. So since vertical ang ato ang value sa ato ang since vertical ang atong foci o atong vertices, we will add the value of C para sa atong foci. We will add and subtract the value of C at the y coordinate of our center. Same pod sa ato ang value sa A or sa vertex at y coordinate, since this is also vertical. While ang atong co-vertex is horizontal, so we will add and subtract the value of B at the x coordinate of our center to determine the coordinates of the co-vertices. Okay, so let's start with the foci. So the foci, so atong center is negative 3 and 5. So we will add the value of C, add and subtract the value of C at the y coordinate of the center kay vertical man ang ato ang foci. Okay, so negative 3, so 5 minus 5 is 0, so focus 1 is at negative 3, 0. Mali ang focus 1, negative 3, 0. Okay, while ang focus 2, negative 3, and then 5 plus 5 is 10, so focus 2 is 3, 10. Negative 3, 10. Okay, so for vertices, we will add and subtract the value of A at the y coordinates of our center since it is also vertical. Yahang length. So negative 3. So 5 minus ang value sa A, which is 7. So that's negative 2. So vertex 1 here is negative 3 and negative 2. While the vertex 2, we will add the value of A sa tong y coordinate center. So negative 3, 5 plus 7 is 12. So negative 3, 12. The co-vertex is horizontal. So we will add and subtract the value of B to the x coordinate of our center, which is negative 3. So negative 3 plus minus B, and then ang y coordinate is 5. So negative 3 minus ang ato ang B is approximately 4.9. So negative 3 minus 4.9, that's negative 7.9, and then 5. So here is negative 7.9. And then 5. While sa right side is negative 3 plus 4.9, that's 1.9, and then 5. So that's 1.9 and 5. Always draw your ellipse so that you can identify the coordinates. So this is the ellipse nato. We expect it as a vertical. So it is at negative 3. Yahang center, wa nakabutang. So that's negative 3, 5. Here, negative 3, 5. The foci is negative 3. The foci is negative 3, 0 and negative 3, 10. The vertex is negative 3 and negative 2 and negative 3, 12. While the co-vertices is negative 7.9, 5 and 1.9 and then 5.